So good day, everyone. Let us look at the organic reagents. What are the organic what? Reagents. Organic. Organic reagents. So all the organic reagents we have in organic chemistry can be grouped into the what? Into two parts. The first one is called electrophile or electrophilic reagents, where the second one is known as what? Nucleophilic reagents. What is electrophilic reagents? The electrophilic reagents, they are electron deficient species which always react with electron-rich center. So the nucleophile is the inverse of what? Of electrophilic. So the organic reagent can be grouped into the what? Into two parts. All the reagents that we are using in what? In a mechanism of reaction of organic compound or in organic chemistry can be grouped into the what? Into two parts. The first one is called what? We have called what? Electrophile. Electrophile. This electrophile, we can also call it what? Electrophilic reagents. And the second one is called what? Nucleophile. Nucleophile, or we can also call it what? Nucleophilic reagents. So I would like to take it one after the what? The other. Let us start from the what? Electrophile. Electrophile. No, I said the electrophile can also call it what? Electrophilic. As the name implied, the electro what? Look at the name. Call it electrophilic reagent. In Greek, the word philic, the word what? Philic in Greek simply means what? Love. This philic we have here in Greek simply means what? Love. Where the word electro come from the word what? Electron. So that by combining the two together, the electrophilic simply means what? Electron lover. So any organic reagent that love electron are called electrophilic. So the word electrophilic or electrophile simply means what? Electron lover. You can say what? Let me put it in front of it. This nucleophilic, you can call them what? Electron what? Electron lover. So the word philic means what? Love. If you remember in biology, yes, now we have what we call what? Hydrophilic. Hydrophilic simply means what? Water lover. And we also have hydrophobic. So anything philic simply means what? Lover. So what is the electrophile now? So the electrophile, they are electron deficient species, which react or attack the electron what? Rich center in a chemical reaction. Electrophilic. I say what? They are electron deficient. Devi what? Set species. Electron deficient what? Species. Which attack or reacts with which reacts, let me use the word reacts. Which what? Reacts with electrons rich center in a chemical what? Reaction. They are electron deficient species which reacts with electron rich center in the chemical reaction. That is what the definition for electrophile. They are electron deficient species. Species of a compound that is lack electron. And they always react with what? Electron rich center. So they are poor of electron. They are not stable. And they need to what? To be stable. As a result of that, anywhere they see electron, they need to go attack the place in order to what? To pick the what? The electron. That is what? Electrophilic. An example of electrophilic is all positive ions. All what? Positive ions are what? Electrophilic. Example of electrophilic. Example are, we have, I said all positive ions. We have hydrogen ion. We have Cl ion, bromine ion, iodine ion. We can also have what? NO2 plus. We can also have carbonium ion, Cr3 plus. And we also have, yes, all this ion. Yes, just so that's what, in fact, we can also have what? CH3 plus. So any organic compound that is carrying a what? A positive charge is a what? Is an electro what? Any compound with positive what? Charge is an electro what? Electrophile. And the example, electrophile, you can also find it in what? In a molecule. And so what? Then a molecule what? Molecule with incomplete octet atomos shell. And call it in what? In a what? A molecule. In a molecule with incomplete outermost what? Outermost shell. Incomplete what? Outermost shell of electron. All those incomplete octet molecule, they are also what? Electrophile. If you could still remember, you know we have B is Cl2, we have boron trifluoride, Bl3, we have aluminium, Cl3, we also have iron, 2C what? L3, we also have SO3, etc. So these are the molecules. They are Mhm. Also, what? Electrophile. Because the central atom electron is not complete. So that is what about the electrophile. The next one is nucleophile. What are the nucleophile? Look at the nucleophile from the name. We have what? Nucleophile. And also what this nucleophile. The phi simply means what? Love. The nucleus simply means what? Nucleus. Simply means what? Nucleus. We can also call this one what? Nuclear was nucleus lover. If you look at the nucleophile, the nucleophile, they are electron rich center. They are what? Electron rich center, which always react with what? Electron deficient species. And this nucleophile is any compound, no, I said any organic compound that is about a positive, any compound that is positive was positive ions is a electrophile. But nucleophile, any compound with negative what? Ion are called what? Nucleophile, like hydroxy minus. Call it what? Nucleo what? Nucleophile. Nucleophile, they are electron rich. Electron what? Rich center. They are electron what? Rich center, which reacts with electrons deficient species. Electron deficient what? Species. So this nucleophile, they have enough electron, and their own is what? To react with a species that is need electrons. An example of these electrophile examples are all negative ion, OH minus. You can have what? Fl minus, Cl minus, Br minus, iodine what? Minus. You can also have what? Cyanide minus. You can also have what? RCH2 minus carbon ion. And we can also have what? Lone, no, here, we use a molecule with what? Incomplete octet molecule. Here, any molecule with what? With lone paired of electrons belong to the what? Nucleo what? Nucleophile. What are the molecule? We have what? H2O. Water is the nucleophile. We have ammonia. HNO3 is a what? Nucleophile. We have amine. Alkyl what? Alkylamine is also what? Nucleophile. And we have what? Alkanol. ROH is also what? Nucleo what? Nucleophile. So any species of an atom that have what? Enough electron, and they always react with electron deficient species are called nucleophile. But any species of an atom that is lack electron, or species of a molecule that is lack electron and which is always react with what? The electron rich center are called electrophile. So for now, that's all about what? Nucleophile and the electrophile. We still apply them in mechanism of what? Of reaction.